Yeah, good morning people in YouTube world, and kia ora to the whānau. Yeah, we've got our first customer in at the shop. Look who it is. Ah, surprise, surprise, it's Indian Dave.
Indian Dave, 40,000k.
Whoa, 40,000 Ks, you've been riding this thing, mate.
We're not going to split hairs, it's 39,000k, but it's time to get it done.
Absolutely.
So you pull the saddlebags off, oil, filter, check the belt, check the shocks, check the front suspension, check everything. I'm not paying a 1,000 kilometre round trip to Christchurch to pay CMG to do it.
Yeah, wow. Fair enough, mate. So you've come to the right place, eh?
Come to Dean's garage.
Dirty Dean's Done Dirt-Cheap motorcycle repairs.
How bad can it be? Only 3 volts.
Only 3 volts, mate. It's going to be good.
You got a little 1/4 inch drive extension in.
There you go. Looking good, mate.
Right. What I need is
Man on a mission.
oh, that doesn't work. I need one of them to place it does.
Oh, is this your saddlebag bolts?
Yeah.
Is it why there's 2 of them in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you've got one. Okay, sweet as.
Yeah. But these I had to hone out the in here.
Oh yeah.
So I ended up honing out the back side of that plate and the front side of that plate just to give them a bit more slop. Makes it so much easier. But you've got to really sort of line it up and then get these 2 started.
Yeah.
That side here. See how it's oval?
Yeah.
They were just too tight, bro.
Yeah. Oh, good work. 40,000 Ks, mate. You're keeping it really looking clean and tidy, aren't you? Quite amazing. Whipping those panniers off, and then get access to the, obviously to the belt. And what else are you getting access to back there? Oh,
Well, just to do the shocks.
do the shocks, and also you want to check those. You want to tap these spokes.
Yeah.
You tap them, and if they all sound the same, you just give them a light tap with a small spanner, and if they all sound the same, they're good. If one that sounds different, it could be a bit loose. That's the only way I've heard of checking spokes.
Yeah, I've got a thing to measure the shock, and I might just leave it on.
Oh, what do you want to do with the shock?
I was just going to stiffen it up a bit.
Well, I'd do it. It's only 3 volts. So what do I need to find some degreaser and a heat gun? Oh, there you go, mate.
Just come in here, see how this pulls apart, Dean. So you've got another set of eyes on it.
Yeah, I've got the camera right on you there, mate. But this is in case I'm doing my next Indian, eh? Indian sets. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that.
There's a degreaser in a washer, right?
No.
I think just your little degreaser that you degrease air conditioners with, bro. I got some gloves. Did you bring an oil can? Did you get an oil can, man?
I don't know if it'll get under it. Oh yeah.
Warm. Can you take the dipstick out, bro?
Oil coming out. Whoa, what colour is it?
It's
Ooh.
not too black.
Got two drain plugs out and
2 drain plugs out.
happy days.
Oh, and a little 6mm hoodie.
Which is on. Let me get rid of that oil before if I can
Knock it over.
Oh, looking at the instructions. Making sure you got your torque settings right.
15.
Still coming out, eh? Not much on there, just put it on that spigot. Lubricate your new filter. And then just hand tighten
then tighten till it touches, and then 3/4 of a turn.
3/4 of a turn, run your bike up, check for oil leaks, and tighten a bit more if required.
And then add more oil.
Then add more oil.
Just needs to start.
Oh, backwards thread, mate. It's Indian. Oh, yeah, righty. Oh, righty tighty. Away we go.
There we go.
Okay.
Right, have you got a funnel?
Yeah, mate. What size do you want?
Big enough to fit in there, mate.
Show you my funnel selection. Take all day size.
Yeah, no, bigger one than that if you've got one.
I've got the big spill it all over the workshop one.
Actually, when you look at this oil, it's not that much fucking...
Mate, that oil was pretty black, but it was due an oil change, so that... Alright, you got to get the real oil. Semi-synthetic. Hang on to the bottle.
It's one I've put in 8. No, 2.
2. Well,
Where's your empty?
where's your empties? Oh, I'll put them over here, jeez.
Yeah, there's one.
I've got 2 here now, so you're on your third. It would be better for the environment not to have all these little bottles, wouldn't it? So the build quality's going good on this? Like, you know, you're not seeing, well, I guess that's about today's thing, isn't it? Trying to find any loose screws or anything?
I haven't... every time I clean it, I fucking check them all, and I haven't watched them, eh?
Alright, one more. Oh, hang on a minute. Didn't you say you could put in half more in?
No, it's meant to take 5.5 quarters.
Oh, right, okay.
Right, well that's just a bit down, mate. I'm just going to touch a fucking touch more in there, eh?
Yeah, do it. So to make it stiffen it up, it would go in more, would it?
Wind it up, yeah.
Into the spring.
Yeah.
Right.
So you reckon 17 mil? That's fucking...
What you got there? So you reckon there's a couple more mil if you want?
Well, this was this guy in Australia that had one.
Oh, off the internet, was it?
Yeah. You see, that's pretty much identical.
Yeah. Just having a look at these brake pads. Right, so just checking the sag.
265. Fuck, that's only 25 mil sag. They talk about 48 mil sag.
Oh, yeah.
But that would have been the difference of I didn't have my helmet or my riding gear on.
Yeah.
And the tyre.
Yeah.
So now what we need to do is take some measurements, and I'll start with the wheel at the bottom for the drive tension.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll start with the spoke there, then we do it 1, 2, 3, 4 and check the tightest measurement. And what we need for that is that and that. So that belt is 70 mil. It's about 25 mil. It's meant to be 28.
Oh, really? So if anything, it's a little tight.
Well, yeah, but
A couple of mil.
clutch lever, clutch control, cable ends, fastness, front brake lever.
5.5, perfect. Right, so my news is I've been gifted a higher windscreen, so should be interesting to see how that performs.
Oh. It always happens. Dino takes off and I'm
Oh,
waiting
bullshit.
for my speedo to catch up.
Yeah, for your computer. I don't have a computer. Oh, look at that, ride command. Right, there we go, to ride command. There we go, bike. the options you've got.
Due at 1,400 Ks.
Wow. And then you can reset it. Wow. Amazing, isn't it?
Due at 8,000 K.
It's amazing to a Harley owner.
Yeah, bro.
Have all these options. Oh, this is picking it up all right. Brightness, turn your brightness up.
No, it's at night time, you see.
Oh, because it's sitting in here. Thinks it's night time. Right. Okay, you gonna start it? Right, service done. Time for a coffee.
Service done.
Nailed it. Needs some tint on it, I think. I'm hardly looking through it, am I? Catch you, man. Awesome. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, have a good ride home. What's that? Yeah, we'll figure out next weekend. Cool. Cheers.